Hi, this is Dan. I'm going to show everybody how to start this nice Honda lawnmower. It's pretty simple. There's no real buttons to push. All you have to do is pull back and pull on the handle. Now to stop it, just release. All you need to release the handle and that'll stop the engine. And to make it move, I'll start it again and show you how to do that, because on this particular model there's another lever here that you can push to make the engine move forward. So I'll show that. You have to push down on this lever to have the mower go forward. Next time the lever, it'll stop, release, and it'll cut the engine. When it comes time to refueling this engine, all you need to do is loosen up this black cap, and that'll show you how much fuel you can physically see inside the gas tank. Right now we're pretty full, but if you're empty and it comes time that you need to put more, with these little gas tanks, what you need to do is, they've got a check on them, a valve, so you want to put that funnel over that and then push this green button, and that will release the fuel into the fuel tank. And that's how you put fuel into this. So one thing I need to bring up on this Honda engine is there is a fuel cutoff valve right here, and it'll actually show you on the side of it. So when the valve is in this horizontal position, the fuel is on. When it's vertical like that, the fuel will be shut off. So just make sure that if you want to start the engine, you have that on so you'll get fuel to the engine. You want to leave it on the off position while you're storing it. And the best case scenario is you shut it off on your last use, and then you just keep running the engine until it runs out of fuel. And then you're good to go and keep that in storage over the winter. Then in springtime, like it is now, turn that fuel gauge up, pull on the cord a few times, and the motor should start. Thank you.